Liv Johnson is here with our forecast. Liv, tell us what's going on this upcoming week. How should we prepare?
I know we were just talking about it. Like, when is spring finally going to make its arrival? I have some good news. That bottom point that you see right now, we do have seasonal temperatures coming this week. I want to revisit that coastal flood watch and the just regular flood watch that we still have in the region because of yesterday's rain. Just because it's not actively raining right now doesn't mean that there aren't areas still affected and still cleaning up. So here's those the coastal flood advisories across the region, down the Jersey Shore, Nassau County, Fairfield County, and Morris County, New Jersey. And then those areas that aren't along the coast but still under a flood watch, a lot of them repeating, like Connecticut and also Morris County, New Jersey, because those low-lying areas and maybe areas with poor drainage issues still seeing the effects of yesterday's rain. Now, the good news is we had a beautiful Sunday, right? Our satellite radar showing barely any clouds in the sky. We enjoyed a very nice day full of sunshine, although it was a little windy. When is that rain coming back? Well, we have a slight chance on Wednesday, about 40%. That doubles on Thursday for 80% and then back down to 20% on Friday. So at least it's not like the past few weeks where we've been seeing that heavy weekend rain. Now, where's the rain coming from? There is a system coming from the west. That could potentially, we could feel that maybe on Wednesday, but you'll see it slows down and gets a lot less powerful as it makes its way towards us. Then going into Thursday, here's a system coming from the south, bringing a little bit of stronger rain, might see a little bit of a heavier downpour on Thursday. Today, we saw a high of 48 degrees. Some of us hit 50. Bridgeport and Newark had a high of 50. Across Long Island, 46 degrees was the high and 45 for White Plains. So a few degrees cooler than average for this time of year. Usually we'd see a high of 53. Unfortunately, that's been the trend the past few days. We've been below average, but we have some better days ahead. Right now, we've dipped into the 30s in New York, same with Long Island, 35 for White Plains and 32 up in Poughkeepsie, although it does feel a little bit colder because we do have some light winds. So it feels more like 33 degrees in New York and Long Island and 27 for Poughkeepsie. Tonight we'll dip down to 34, clear skies, light winds will continue. Most of us will stay above freezing, but some of us, White Plains, Poughkeepsie, Monticello, dipping below freezing. And then tomorrow will look a lot like today, a high of 50 and maybe the high 40s. 7-day forecast. We do have a beautiful Easter Sunday with a high of 60 and some sunshine. Unfortunately, opening day for the Mets on Thursday. We're looking at some heavy rain, but it's going to feel more like spring in just a few days. That's the good news.
Thank you, Liv. Well, today, people of the Jewish faith continue to celebrate one